Hey everyone, if you read the title, you saw the thumbnail, then you already know what this video is about. So let's just dive in. In order to reset your iPhone back to factory settings or to erase any other settings, tap on Settings and then tap on General, scroll down, and under Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on that. Now you get a couple of options here. If you tap on Reset, then you have a list of all of the individual settings you can reset on this iPhone. However, if you want to erase everything on this iPhone because maybe you are giving this iPhone to someone else or you're going to sell it, you can tap on Erase All Content and Settings. And once you've confirmed that you want to do that, then all of the data on this iPhone will be erased. In addition, these steps also apply to iPads as well. If you found this video helpful, do all of the YouTube things. Remember, all engagement is good engagement. And until next time, I will see you in the next video. Take care.